Hello, and welcome to English Insight. Today, I want to share a powerful story about determination, problem solving, and success. This story is perfect for English learners and will help you improve your vocabulary while learning an important life lesson. Chapter 1: The Dreamer and the Mountain. A long time ago, in a small village, there was a young boy named Liam. Liam had big dreams. He wanted to become a great artist, but his family was very poor. His parents told him, "Liam, you must work on the farm. Art will not feed you." Liam was determined. He practiced drawing every night after work. But every time he showed his work to others, they laughed at him. "You will never be an artist," they said. "You're just a poor boy. Stop dreaming." One day, Liam heard about a great art competition in the city. The winner would receive a scholarship to study in the best art school. But there was one problem. The city was on the other side of a huge mountain. Liam had no money for a horse. He had no map. But he had one thing, a dream. Chapter 2: The Journey Begins. Liam packed a small bag and started walking. The road was rocky and the sun was hot. After a few hours, he saw an old man sitting under a tree. The man asked, "Where are you going, boy?" Liam smiled. "I'm going to the city to become an artist." The old man laughed. "The mountain is too high. You will never make it." Liam nodded politely and continued walking. He knew that some people will always doubt you, but you must believe in yourself. After 2 days, Liam reached the foot of the mountain. He saw a narrow bridge over a deep river. As he walked, the wood cracked under his feet. The bridge was breaking. Liam had 2 choices. 1, turn back and give up. Or 2, find a way to cross. Liam saw a fallen tree nearby. He quickly used it to build a new bridge. It was not easy, but he solved the problem. He continued his journey. Chapter 3: The Storm and the Fear. That night, a storm came. The wind howled and the rain poured down. Liam was cold and afraid. He found a small cave and waited for the storm to pass. As he sat there, he thought, "Maybe I should go home. Maybe they were right. I will never be an artist." But then he remembered why he started. He took out his small notebook and drew pictures of the storm. Even in the darkest moments, he kept going. Chapter 4: The Reward for Hard Work. After 1 week, Liam finally saw the city lights. He was tired, hungry, and dirty, but he had made it. The art competition was about to begin. Liam took a deep breath and walked inside. He saw beautiful paintings by other artists. For a moment, he felt small and unimportant. But then he remembered. He had worked hard. He had solved problems. He had never given up. Liam took out his drawings, sketches from his journey. The judges were amazed. They saw the pain, the struggle, the perseverance in his art. And then the announcement came. The winner is Liam. Liam cried with happiness. He had proved everyone wrong. He had followed his dream. And now, he was going to become the artist he always wanted to be. Chapter 5: The Life Lesson. Liam's story teaches us something important. Dream big, even if others don't believe in you. Solve problems instead of giving up. Work hard and success will come. Thank you for listening to this inspiring story. Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn English through more motivational stories, don't forget to subscribe to English Insight. See you in the next video. Remember, never give up on your dreams. Keep learning, keep growing,